Yeah, my dear soldiers. Let us take up the next question from July 24 mock test paper. Stayfit Private Limited is a startup that has been in business for about 2 years. It runs an application which provides a valuable information pertaining to nutrition, helps its client to access customized healthy food. The company's revenue are expected to grow in the coming period, although company has reflected net losses in its financial statement for last 2 years. It has managed to meet its financial commitment. The financial statement for last 2 years were prepared on going concern basis of accounting. The management, the what you can say, the management of the company wants to follow the same basis of accounting for the current year. Is the view of management appropriate? How does going concern affect the preparation of financial statement? Now, company has reflected net losses in the last 2 years, but it is able to meet the financial commitment. So now the company they have followed a going concern basis of accounting for preparation of financial statement. So now management says that they want to follow the same in the current period also. Fine. How does the going concern affect the preparation of financial statement? So, see, SA 570 going concern. Going concern is a fundamental accounting assumption. So, it's a fundamental accounting assumption as to whether the entity will continue in foreseeable future. Foreseeable future means next 12 months from the balance sheet. It is going to continue or not. So here what happens is that the entity, if you take this entity into consideration, they say that in the future the entity will grow, the entity will do a great business actually, that's what they say. So they know that there are losses in last 2 years, but the company is optimistic that the entity will grow in the coming years. Coming years, the entity will grow. That is what it is. So they are very much optimistic in nature, and that is what it is actually. So they know that the entity will grow in future. That's the thing actually here. So they are going to grow in future, and that is the thing here. So now, in such case, how do you deal with this actually? So now, under the going concern basis of accounting, what happens? The financial statements basically they are prepared on the assumption that entity will be a going concern and it will continue in operation in foreseeable future. That's the thing here. So they'll be able to realize the asset and settle the liability in the normal course of business. So general purpose financial statement they are prepared on going concern basis of accounting, unless the management feels that okay no they are going to liquidate the entity or they're going to cease the operation. That's the thing here. So now in this case, even though company has got net losses in last 2 years, they are able to meet their financial commitment. Means they want to carry the business in the near future. That's the thing here. And they also are optimistic, as I told you, that the revenue will grow in the coming years. That's the thing here. Hope is always a part of life. Remember that actually. So the management they don't have an intention to do any liquidation nor they want to cease the operation. So they don't want to cut down the scale of operation in the current year, and this is that is why it is significant that the financial statement will be prepared on a going concern basis. That's the thing here. So in the going concern basis of accounting, what happens? As I told you that the asset will be realized and the liabilities will be settled in the normal course of business. That's the thing here. So if suppose say the assets, the entity is not a going concern, then you have to prepare the financial statement on a liquidation basis. You have to follow the liquidation basis of accounting. That is what you have to do. Okay. If the going concern basis of accounting is not appropriate, then that's what you have to prepare it on a realization basis. Say example, suppose say inventory, you have inventory. So you need to show inventory at the value which it will be realized. That's what you have to show. Okay. So this is all you have to see about the going concern. So very important question they are given. Please solve it.